Hey friends, welcome back. If you're seeing a blinking PON light on your fiber internet box, that's your connection telling you something isn't right. The PON light is located on your ONT, or optical network terminal, which is the device that receives the fiber signal from your internet provider and passes it to your router. When the PON light is solid green, everything is working normally. But when it's blinking or completely off, it means your device is having trouble communicating with your provider's network. This usually happens because of loose fiber cables, dirty connectors, damaged fiber lines, or a temporary issue from your ISP. Start by checking the fiber cable running into the ONT. Make sure it's firmly connected and not bent sharply, pinched, or damaged. Next, power cycle your equipment. Unplug both the ONT and your router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and allow a few minutes for them to fully restart. This alone fixes many connection problems. If the light keeps blinking, gently clean the fiber connector using a lint-free cloth. Dust can block the optical signal. If none of these steps work, the issue is likely outside your home, such as a service outage or line problem. In that case, contacting your internet service provider is the fastest solution, since fiber issues often require technician-level tools to repair.